How to install Google Chrome on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you want to add a third-party browser to your iPhone, instead of sticking to the Safari browser app, now you want to add Chrome browser, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to install Google Chrome on iPhone 12, what you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Once you open the App Store on your iPhone, click on the search button at the bottom right. Then here you want to search for Google Chrome. Now once you search for Google Chrome, then you should see the Chrome browser first. Then go ahead and click on it. There you should see Get. So click on the Get button. Once you click on the Get button, you'll be prompted to tap Install from the pop or press the Start button twice to proceed. And in some cases, you may be prompted to confirm your Apple account password. So once you confirm your Apple account password, then you should see the Chrome browser downloaded and installed on your iPhone. And once the installation process is completed, you can either go to the app screen here, click on the Chrome browser app to open it for the first time, or go back to the App Store and click on the Open button. So whichever one you choose, this is going to open the Chrome browser on your iPhone 12. You see that? So that is basically how to install Chrome browser on iPhone 12. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.